Welcome back to my channel. Shay Lewis here. Okay, so today I am going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. Get into the look. Get into the look. We're going to get into this video, and of course, if you like this content, let me know what you guys want to see more of. I'm here for it. Let's get into the look. All right. So we got the hair pinned up. Awesome. I am going to put on some primer by MAKIAGE. So I basically just use primer so I can have my makeup on for long periods of time. Take a little bit of that. Put it all over. Alright, that quick. Next, I am going to use my foundation. It's the MAKIAGE 170 Woke Up Like This. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. Now I use a whole bunch of MAKIAGE products because, of course, like, you know, I worked with them. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but also I just found that their products were a lot better than the products I was using before. So I don't know, it's kind of like a religion at this point. Their products has been doing wonders for my makeup looks, and also it's not that harsh on my skin either, and I have extremely sensitive skin, so here we are. I just put like a little dash on my makeup brush, and then like I put little dots around my face. And then I just go in with it. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Like, this foundation is it. Usually I would, you know, get my neck and a little bit of my chest too, but I am going to be wearing a turtleneck today, so we don't need to do all that. We are going to get this eye section out the way. I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I start off with brushing them just to get them in place. I'm gonna take this MAKIAGE brow pen. It comes in the shade Espresso, and I am just going to pretty much outline the top and the bottom, and then I am going to fill them in with this Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper. And if you don't get it perfect, do not worry, because I use concealer to basically perfect the arch. We'll get there. Alright, so now I'm gonna fill it in with this brow shaper. Light strokes, you guys, because this is definitely tinted and you don't want your eyebrows being too dark. Honestly, I might need to pluck a little bit of hairs under this brow. I don't know if you guys believe this or not, but I honestly don't wear makeup that often, but I do have an everyday makeup look. Go figure. We are going to clean these brows up with our concealer. Alright, so I'm going to do this other side, and then we are going to conceal it up. Alright, so I did my other eyebrow, right? And don't you hate when one of your eyebrows look good but the other one come out like looking crazy? That's what happened over here. However, I am happy that this one came out a little odd, so I can show you guys how I shape it with concealer. I got you. So, of course, another IL MAKIAGE product. My favorite out of all their products is the concealer. The concealer is bomb. I am using the, I'm not gonna cuss on here, F It I'm Flawless concealer, and that is number 13. So for my concealer for brows, I just open this up. You see this little access concealer that's at the top? So I just take a little bit of that and go under my brows with it. Put it right under that brow. Shape it how you like. Alright, so my favorite palette of all time is California Love by Colorpop. I can never stray away from this. I do not know why. It just is what it is at this point. I wish I could give you guys a, I'm sorry it's so dirty, I've been using this. It is my favorite palette. So I wish I could give you guys a more complex way of doing a natural look. However, I only just use two colors, and honestly they're really similar to each other. I use this color called the Bay, and I'm gonna go out here with it. Meshes well with, you know, the concealer that I use under the eyebrow. It just such a dope combination. Yeah, I've been telling you guys to get this palette since I started doing tutorials. I've tried a lot of different palettes over the years too, but as far as like my go-to, this just does it for me every time. The first part of my eyelid, I just want to make it just a little bit lighter. So I'm going to take Gnarly, this color right here. I'm going to use the same brush. Listen, this is supposed to be like a quick tutorial, so we don't use different brushes a lot around here. We got the eyeshadow out the way, and that was really simple. Oh, this looks so beautiful. I am just gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna take this Fenty matchstick. It's in the color Truffle. I'm going to put just a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And the thing with IL MAKIAGE concealer, this thing dries quick. So get all your stuff out the way and then, you know, go ahead and blend that in the order that you did it. going to contour this nose just a little bit, not a lot. Something that I've also had forever is this Studio Pro contour palette by NYX Cosmetics. I usually use Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in the shade Deep Peach. I'm sorry, that was upside down. While I am baking, I am going to blush it up a bit. I am going to use the Saharan blush. What is this? Blush Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. And I typically use this rosy pink color. I am going to unbake myself and just brush off some of this excess setting powder. Next, we just have the eyeliner, the lashes, and the lips. And then we're pretty much done. So this Wet n Wild MegaLiner, this is the truth. You can go for the more expensive brands, but this one you can get at a decent, great price, a really great price, and the quality is just the same, if not better. Alright, so we got the eyeliner popping. We are going to, well, I'm going to put on these lashes really quick because I know it takes me forever. And then after that, we should just have the lips and I'll be all finished. Alright, so we have the lashes on, and surprisingly, it didn't take me that long to put on. It's a good day. The natural beads. This is my everyday look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Of course, make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe. And don't ever forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload some new content. I think I look gorgeous. And shout out to this turtleneck. This is a very vibrant royal blue, and I got it from Shein. I love, I love, I love. Let me know how you guys like this look, and I will see you in the next video.